Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Android phone contacts to your iPhone. So let's say you have purchased a new iPhone and you want to transfer your Android contacts to your iPhone. Let's see how we can do it. So here you can see my Android phone screen. So just go to your Android phone and then just click on the settings option, which will open the settings, and then you need to go to the accounts section here. So just search for accounts and then just press on accounts, and here select Google, and here you will be able to see all your Google accounts. So you can select any one of your account which you want to use for transferring your contacts. So I'm going to choose the first option here, and here you will be able to see this option which says sync contacts. So you need to just select this option if it's already not selected, which is going to start the sync for your contacts. Okay, so once you have done this, your contacts will be synced with your Google account. One other way of doing it is, once again, go to your settings and you will be able to see this Google option directly, right? So you don't need to go inside the accounts. You can just select Google option from here, and then you will be able to see under services this option which says account services, and then select Google contact sync, and then in manage setting you can just press on automatically sync, and also under the also sync device contact, just click on the manage settings, enable this automatically backup and sync device contact option, and then choose the Google email ID which you want to use, which is going to sync all of your contacts. Right now, once you have synced all the Google contacts, you can go to your browser. You can even go to the browser of your Android phone, and here type contacts.google.com. So you just need to type contacts.google.com and then press enter, which is going to open this kind of website. So here you will be able to see all your contacts. So in my case, I have so many contacts here. So here you will get two options. If you just need to export some of the contacts from here, you can select them manually like this, and then click on these three dots and then click on the export option. If you want to transfer all of your contacts, then you can just click on the export option. So unselect everything and then click on export option, and then just choose this option here, which is vCard, which is for iOS contacts, right? So just select this and then click on the export button, which is going to download this contacts.vcf file. So now once you have downloaded this contacts.vcf file, you can go to the folder where you have downloaded this contacts.vcf file. You can see it's in my downloads folder. Now what you need to do is you need to open iCloud in your browser. So you can go to the same browser and search for iCloud, and you will be able to see this first result, which is iCloud.com. So I'm going to just click on this option, and then you need to sign in to your iCloud account. This is the same account you will use in your iPhone also, right? So sign in to your iCloud account, and here you will be able to see your contacts option. So just click on the contacts option. So right now you can see I don't have any contacts in my iCloud contacts menu. So for adding all the contacts which I have exported from my Google Contacts account, I just need to click on this settings menu and then click on import vCard. So I'm going, and then I just need to choose the file which I have saved in my downloads folder, which is contacts.vcf file. So let me just select this and then click on open, which is going to start the process of importing. So you just need to wait for some time. You can see it's importing all the contacts. So I will wait for some time. So now I can see all my contacts which I have imported into my iCloud contacts. So you can see all these contacts here. So once you have all these contacts in your iCloud contacts, it's easy to just sync this iCloud with your iPhone. So let's go to the iPhone. So after the import of your contacts, just go to your settings app and then scroll down a little bit until you see contacts. So just scroll down and you will see contacts here. So just press on contacts, and then in here you need to go to the account section. So just press on accounts and then click on iCloud or press on iCloud. Now here you will be able to see once again iCloud option. So I'm going to press on iCloud, and here you need to toggle this contacts toggle button. And once you do that, you can go to your contacts app once again. So I'm going to press contacts and I can see all my contacts in my contacts app. So these contacts are imported from my iCloud contacts into my iPhone. So this is how you can import your contacts from your Android phone into iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.